this series of video for VBA. So I'm just creating VBA for beginners level. So till now we have seen example 15. So now this is the 16th example. So the 16th example code is here, changing the font size. I'm just copying it. I'm going to this Excel sheet. And this particular Excel sheet, already I opened this VBA editor here. So I'm just pasting it here. And I would like to give the comment line here with the single code. Example 16 VBA for beginners. Okay, so this is going to just make this font size as 14. Instead of 14, I'll just change it to 36. What is going to happen in font size of A1 in a particular active thing. So I'll check this sheet number 4. Sheet number 4, we have this particular font is 1 plus A is the text, okay, available here in A1. So this is going to be now 72. So 72, if I just select it here by manually here, this is going to be like this. Okay, are you able to see this now? This is so big. So now I'll just undo it here. So this is small here. Now the size is 11 here. So by keeping this cursor on this particular area, we are just going to execute it now. So not 76, it is 36. Now 36 is we have just executed it. So 36 size, you are able to see here, it is automatically updated here also in the A1 also, right? So this is how we are just going to change this particular font in A1. So same thing if you want to change it to, instead of A1, let us say this is D6. D6, I want the font size to be 18. So what is this D6? This is a D and this is a 6. Nothing is there. So we'll just put here month. What is the month? Size of the month is now by default it is 11. Okay. So I'll just copy this and put it here same way. So this particular month I'll just keep in D6 in yellow color. So this yellow color and then the below month is also going to be now compared here. So in D6 the size is now 11, which is going to be changed here as 18. By running this program now, it is now completed. You are able to see this month in D6 is 18. The size, font size is 80, right? So this is how the example number 16 can be practiced by you too. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.